Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Golf Carts Inc. Today we're tackling a hot topic for 2025, gas versus electric golf carts. Which one should you buy? Whether you're a golfer, a property owner, or just looking for a fun way to get around, this video will break down everything you need to know to make the best choice for your needs. Before we proceed, ensure you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you don't miss new videos and updates. First and foremost, why this comparison? Well, the market has changed a lot in the past few years. Advances in battery technology have made electric carts more powerful and longer lasting. Stricter emission regulations and rising fuel costs are affecting gas carts, and more buyers are looking for sustainable, cost-effective choices. Let's dive into the key differences so you can decide which fits your lifestyle, your budget, and values. Section 1. How do they work? First, a quick rundown of how each type operates. Gas golf carts run on traditional gasoline engines, usually 4-stroke, but some older or specialized models use 2-stroke engines. These work a lot like small car engines, requiring regular refueling, oil changes, air filter replacements, and general engine upkeep. They produce engine noise, exhaust fumes, and vibrations, giving them a feel more similar to a lawn tractor or compact utility vehicle. Electric golf carts, on the other hand, are powered by rechargeable batteries, either modern lithium-ion packs or older-style deep-cycle lead-acid batteries. Instead of an engine, they use an electric motor to quietly move the cart forward. No gas, no oil, no exhaust. Just plug them into a standard outlet or a dedicated golf cart charger to keep them going. They're nearly silent in operation, making them great for residential areas, golf courses, and places where noise or emissions are a concern. Section 2. Performance comparison. Speed and performance. Surprisingly, electric carts actually have a higher top speed than gas carts. An electric cart can run from 20 to 24 miles per hour right out of the box. Performance upgrades are available to take that speed all the way up to 30 miles per hour. A gas cart can run up to 18 to 20 miles per hour, and there are not many speed upgrades you can do to one. In addition, electric carts will get up to top speed faster as well. As far as power, the newer 48-volt electric carts have more torque than their gas counterparts, but you may want to consider gas if you will be using the cart as a workhorse and are continually putting it under a load. In this case, a gas cart will last longer. Range. Gas carts can go 100 to 180 miles per tank, depending on size and driving style. Electric carts go 30 to 60 miles per charge. Lithium batteries can push this up to 70 or more. Refueling versus charging. Gas carts fill up in just a couple minutes at a gas station. Electric carts need 4 to 8 hours for a full charge, but rapid chargers and battery swaps are becoming more common. Section 3. Cost breakdown. First, let's cover initial cost. Gas carts start at about $7,000 to $11,000 for new models. Electric carts start at $8,000 to $12,000. Lithium batteries cost more up front, but lead-acid options are cheaper. Next, operating costs. Gas carts have higher operating costs, thanks to fuel, oil, and regular engine maintenance. Electric carts mainly cost you for electricity and a battery replacement every 5 to 10 years. Then, maintenance. Gas carts need oil changes, spark plugs, air filters, belts, exhaust system checks. Electric carts? Mostly just batteries, chargers, and sometimes brakes. Resale value. Electric carts with lithium batteries hold their value better in 2025. Gas carts are still popular in some areas, but their resale value is going down due to new regulations. Section 4. Environmental impact. Let's talk environment. Gas carts emit CO2, nitrogen oxides, and other pollutants. More and more gated communities and golf courses are restricting them for this reason. Electric carts, on the other hand, have zero tailpipe emissions. If you charge with renewable energy, you're almost carbon neutral. Now, battery production and disposal do have an impact, but modern recycling programs are improving every year. Section 5. Convenience and user experience. Convenience matters. Gas carts are noisier. That can be a plus if you like engine sounds, but a minus for quiet neighborhoods or golf courses. Electric carts, on the other hand, are nearly silent. They're perfect for early mornings, wildlife areas, and noise-sensitive neighborhoods. With gas, there's no need to charge, but you have to keep gas handy. Electric is plug and play, but you need access to outlets. Customization. Both types are easy to upgrade. Seats, wheels, lights, stereos, lift kits, you name it. Section 6. Use cases. Gas carts are best for 1. Large properties, farms, or ranches, where power outlets and charging stations might be few and far between. Gas carts can keep running as long as you have fuel on hand, no downtime waiting for a recharge. 2. Heavy hauling or towing. Whether it's trailers, tools, or equipment, gas engines generally offer more torque and power, making them ideal for rugged work. 3. Remote or off-grid areas where electricity isn't readily available. Electric carts, on the other hand, are best for 1. Gated communities, resorts, and golf courses where quiet operation and zero emissions are preferred. 2. Eco-conscious buyers who want a cleaner, greener alternative to gas, with no tailpipe emissions and lower operating costs. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions. Can I convert my gas cart to electric? Yes, but it's usually expensive and needs a pro. Which is safer? Both are safe if properly maintained, although electric carts have fewer moving parts to worry about. So, which should you buy? Choose gas if you need maximum range or power and ease of refueling, as you can refuel anytime and anywhere as long as you have extra gas. Choose electric if you want low maintenance, quiet operation, and eco-friendliness, and charge wait times are not an issue for you. Thanks for watching our deep dive into gas versus electric golf carts in 2025. Which one are you considering? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth guides like this one. See you next time.